Alright, so this is a room tour of the Disney Dream Room 6004, a forward-facing cabin that can be found on Deck 6. This is one of the front-facing porthole, like ocean view type rooms. It's a little bit bigger than the standard room, so a little bit of a unique one. But anyway, we start here at the door. This is one of those rooms where you have to put your key in order for the lights to work. You have a pretty spacious entryway here, and then comes around to a couch on this side. But first, let's go into the bathroom. So this is a Disney ship, so it has the split configuration bathroom. So door number 1 is the toilet, the commode. You have a separate room for just the toilet, and it also has a sink in it. This is convenient, definitely, if you're sharing a room with multiple people, like your kids and stuff. Someone can be using the toilet while the other person is in the other room, which is right next door, and has another sink, the tub, and obviously shower combo. As far as I know, unless it's an accessible room, you're gonna have a tub in the room, so that's good if you have little kids. Not so good for us because this is smaller than standard size tubs, so I could definitely not fit in there. And one thing to note is if you're above 6 feet tall, your head will touch the ceiling when you're in the shower. Otherwise, it's convenient having the split configuration bathroom. For sure. We come around this way. This is your closet. I think there's plenty of closet space in this room, and also comes with, this one is where the life jackets are, and some hangers, and your safe and stuff down there. And then the other side is just a normal closet. Has a little bit more storage down there, shelf storage, and then we had plenty of hangers for our stuff. But of course, you can always ask for more if you need them. Got the vanity here. This is where the majority of your power supplies stuff is going to be. Some more drawers. You got 3 on this side with a hairdryer. And then on this side is the fridge. Obviously great to have if you're needing to store drinks and medication and whatever else. We've got the TV. It's small, but it does have Disney On Demand, so you have access to like all of your favorite Disney movies and stuff, which is perfect for kids and adults alike. And at the vanity, you do have the chair if you're gonna do makeup and those kinds of things there. This does pivot towards the bed, which is convenient, but it might not be the easiest to see from the bed or anywhere else because it's pretty tiny. And then this particular room has the table and the 2 chairs and the porthole window. Like I said, this is front facing. Let me see if I can actually get you to see. So we're in Miami right now. We're about to get off the ship, but that's actually the bow of the ship, which is cool. And we were able to essentially see what the bridge could see in a much smaller window. On this side, it's the bed. Please note that these beds do not split. That's a Disney thing for some reason. So if you're coming with friends or whatever, you may have to bunk up together. But the couch, which I already showed earlier, does pull out into another bed, and this room does sleep 4 people. You do have some power outlet stuff on the side of the bed and the control for the lights. This side has the phone and the control for the main lights. A little bit of artwork there. And now we're back around to the door. I'll give you kind of a view from the door looking into the room. Not bad. This particular room doesn't have the curtain that goes across. The standard rooms, I know for sure the veranda rooms have the curtain so that you can have privacy from the kids or whatever, but this one does not have that. But keep in mind you do have more space in this room because it's a little bit wider and it has the angled wall in the front. And all that. So this is actually one of the biggest rooms we've been in on any ship that we've been on, and it was very comfortable for just the 2 of us. So anyway, that's it. I want to thank you all for traveling with me. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.